Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Roblox application on your iOS device. To download and install the Roblox app on iOS, first of all, open up the App Store from your iOS device. Now in the search box, search for Roblox. Look for the Roblox app in the search result, and once you find this application, tap on the cloud icon with the arrow or the Get button if it's your first time downloading the app. If prompted, enter your Apple ID, password, or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm the download, and the Roblox application will start downloading on your iOS device. Wait for it to complete. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Roblox, and that's how you have successfully installed Roblox on your iOS device. Now you can go ahead and get to the world of endless adventures, mini games, and creativity. That's how you easily install the popular Roblox application on your iOS device. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gaming for Beginners for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.